Okay, so today we're gonna go in with the Thirsty palette from what I recently seen just like a day or two ago. I want to say that Jeffree Star relaunched his palette, and we're going in with Kumquat. What did it say? I can't see, but it's October 10th today, and yeah, we're gonna go in and do that as a transition color. Just go back and forth, windshield wiper motions. You dig? But yeah, like I was saying, this palette was sold out everywhere. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with taste buds and bitch. Yeah, we're gonna go in with those and also add those to like the transition color. Just go back and forth and blend all three of those together. I wanted to give like a little orange type of vibe, orangey brownish vibe, because you know, fall or whatever. So we're trying to bring in the fall vibes. And then we're gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, of course, the same shit I use all the time. By the way, y'all, I freaking broke my bitch, what? My Tarte Shape Tape the other day. I was doing my makeup in the gym, getting ready to go to a tailgate, and your girl dropped it. And that's plastic, so get it together, Tarte. Like, we gotta make this fucking break proof. I literally broke like what, $40 worth. I still haven't thrown it away. It's probably leaking. I don't care. I'm gonna try to use as much as I can till it dries out, and you know, can't use it anymore. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just going in and kind of doing a cut crease thing, kind of not. It's okay, it's cool. But yeah, and then I'm just gonna buff out whatever transition color that I did. By the way, this is gonna be a half get ready with me, half voiceover, because it's just so much as a makeup look. So yeah, I wanted to do like half and half, half and half, in order to not make this video long. And then we're gonna go in with that dark brown, what is it called, drizzle, on the bottom right corner. And we're just gonna dab it at the end of your eye and then just kind of blend it in with the transition color, just to kind of bring the whole outer eye, I guess you would say, look together, and just, you know, be blended, girl, because nobody wants lines. And then we're gonna go in with that gold color I didn't see because I hate freaking what's it called, I moved too damn fast. Let me see if I have the palette. I don't even know where my palette's at the moment. But yeah, with that color, for some reason, it was not picking up on the brush. Like, when I tell you, I don't know if you have to wet it or something. I don't remember watching the review that Jeffree Star did, or like, what's it called? His like makeup look over it. I don't remember. So maybe you have to like specifically bring your finger to do the eye look for that color. But yeah, like the color was not picking up on the freaking brush. So then you're gonna go in with Parched. And also, this look is inspired by a girl on Instagram. I need to find her Instagram in the picture. And yeah, I literally recreated her look. And then we're gonna go in, as always, with the NYX eyeliner, the black liquid eyeliner, and wing that shit out, bitch. Because I was feeling like, you know, fierce, dramatic that night. So I was like, girl, I'm gonna do a wing. We about to do it big. No, you know what? Go big or go home. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But anyways, we're gonna go in with some mascara. The mascara, I always use the Lash Dominant by Bare Minerals. I always use it because it's a little sample I got. I don't remember from where or what, but my mom always gives me random shit. And then after that, we're gonna put my favorite false lashes, is the M302A Mist lashes. I live by these lashes. I stand by these lashes, and Star Glue. But Star Glue and Black Glue only. Do not get the clear glue. And this is basically the final eye look for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed that part. And now I'm going to blabber on about, yeah.
It is going to be long because I take forever to get ready. Right now I'm getting ready to go see Drake at Spire. If you know, you know. One of my famous videos that I have here on YouTube. Stop, Fendi. One of my videos that I have that is like pretty famous here on YouTube on my channel is my Drake at Spire, like where he performs basically, whatnot. And this is the primer I'm using, by the way. Yeah, it's been a year. I almost didn't put primer on. What the fuck? I haven't been putting makeup on, you guys, so I'm kind of just like, and then that black stuff I'm just trying to like get rid of because I messed up on my eyeliner. I want to listen to music, and that was the reason like I didn't really talk during whatever, because I didn't want to get copyrighted. Stop, Fendi. Ugh, shit. She's getting on my nerves. She's like, I'll try to let her out, and then she'll run around and she'll pee on the fucking floor, pee on my carpet, pee on my damn bed sheet. Like, it gets me so mad because I have to wash everything. I have to clean behind her. I don't want kids after her. Like, she's upsetting me right now. Like, she's getting on my nerves. And, like, I feel bad because I put her in the cage when I'm gone. Well, my parents will have her sometimes, most of the time. But other than that, like, you know, if I'm not here, my parents are not here, her ass in the cage. So that's why I'm like, oh, I feel bad, but she's getting on my nerves. Nobody wants to hear that crying, Fendi. Jeez, try to get rid of that right now. But I'm trying to go get spray tan. I don't know when, to be honest with you, because I'm broke right now. Because I've been buying all kinds of shit, so I'm going places, so my bitch broke. But it's okay. I'll be alright. I'm living my best life, so that's really all that matters, you know, like having a good time, creating memories. That's all I really care about at the moment. I just want to have fun and do cool shit, and you know, and what's it called? Okay, but yeah, anyways, and like I was finishing saying, like my camera keeps fucking cutting off. I like the Sony quality, but I will never get a Sony again because, like, what the fuck is temp low? Like, I spent almost $1,000 on this fucking camera, and you want to cut off on me when your temperature is too hot. Like, bitch, continue. But anyways, like I was saying, yeah, bronzer. But yeah, anyways, I can bash him all the time, and like I probably said some shit like "fuck you" or "fuck off" on Twitter because that's how I am. But by the way, I'm going in with the Airspun powder, and I'm going to not bake, but I'm gonna, like, you know, fix my face. But anyways, yeah, like that's how we act like that. We don't know how to act here because nothing happens. Like if we see Drake, we freak the fuck out because we don't see celebrities like that. And there's celebrities, like their bodyguards are fucking rude, and they're just, you know, which I understand for safety precautions, but yeah, nothing like that happens here. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck I was saying because my mom called. I don't even know. But anyways, I have school tomorrow. No, actually I work at 6 a.m. and then from 6 to like 11 I work, I want to say, and then afterwards I have to go to school because I have to be there at 1. And yeah, it sucks because I don't feel like, I wanted to come home and sleep, but that's not gonna happen. And I got so lucky. It was this past Monday, I want to say. I was at work and then my professor canceled class, and I was like, yes. But that's like super rare of her to do that shit because she's one of those professors like, I don't believe in missing school and blah blah blah. And I'm just like, okay. I can't bake for too long, you guys, because I have really dry skin, so I'm trying to just like blend this in, make it like less harsh, because nothing is worse than when a girl has a harsh ass fucking what is that, contour. Every time I put my eyelash on, like it comes off, so I'm just like and let me see. Right now I'm gonna try to put my lash on again because I look horrible. My dog keeps crying. I don't know what's wrong with her. I try to let her out, but she acts bad, dude. Like she ruins everything in my room. Like she starts biting on my shoes, like because she's in the teething process, so she's teething really bad. And I'm like, oh great, you want to teeth on my fucking belongings, like when I bought you a bone. But you know how that is, like she's a baby, so babies love to do everything opposite. Like, oh, tell me why my mother called, and it's 8:35, mind you that. And if you go to the club, you know technically shit doesn't get popped until 11, but it's a Sunday, but still. And this lady said, have you left yet to the club, and who's bringing you back? I am 21, you guys. Like, you know, easy conversation. You want to be in the video? I had like OVO sweaters for dogs. Fendi, Fendi girl, Fendi girl. You want to be on camera? She's conceited, y'all. She will look dead ass at the camera. Like, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at yourself. Oh, hi. I'm Fendi the Frenchie. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo. Woo! And then I sway, I surf. Watch me. That's wrong. And I'm gonna put like splash under the eye, which is that color, cause just cause I want to. Anyway, it's not my business. Yeah. So I had went cause to be nosy, like, oh, whatever. Like, you see how everybody. Oh, I have the blue. Oh my god, that looks so good. Woo! I didn't think this was gonna be a look, but y'all, I came through. Like. That's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment on my videos, and tell me you want more, because obviously I love Drake. I love Drake, so keep it coming. Keep telling me what y'all want, if y'all want to keep seeing it, like, you know. So thank you for watching, and I'm about to go see Drake. Okay, bye. No. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.